Hey guys, today I have this camping table by RORAIMA, and I probably said that name wrong, sorry. It is 37.4 inches by 19.7 by 27.2. The frame and the slats on top of the table are both made of aluminum. The table only weighs 11 pounds. It's big enough that you can put 4 to 6 chairs around this table. It has this mesh storage bag on the bottom and also comes with the shoulder strap tote bag for carrying it, you know, if you're carrying it camping or whatever, that everything fits into. Now, to me, this is a great table. My biggest problem with the table is that these slats constantly move. And you can push them all even, but then it leaves a big gaping hole in the table. So you have to make them just right. But the first time you bump them, it moves. So to me, with kids, I'm going to be wearing a lot of drinks or whatever on this table. Plus, I wanted the table actually to go in, we're in my children's playroom, my grandkids' playroom, and you know, I wanted to set a laptop on it so that they could play with it when they were here. But I don't think I'll do that because of this moving. Now, if my husband's going to try to figure out how to maybe hold the table steady and put a piece of wood in, like a chopping block or something to put in there. And then it would be perfect for just about anything you could think of. But camping-wise, this would be great even with the moving pieces. The moving pieces here do come off. They're just like clipped on and it pops loose. And then you have the two metal bars here that stretch out the table, and then the underneath here just sort of folds down. But it is a really nice, great outdoor table, and it's very sturdy. It's not going to fall apart next week. The sun's not going to deteriorate it because it's not plastic. So personally, it's a great table. It's just not exactly what I was expecting, but I'm still give it a 4-star. Check it out on Amazon. I'll leave you a link below.